Okay guys, so in this video I will show you how to permanently disable updates on your Windows 10 or Windows lower version like me. Yeah. So what you need to do is click on Start menu, type here Run, and click on Enter. Here you will see such menu where you should type services mcs services.mcs and click on OK. It will open such window. So here I will maximize window. I'll so click on any icon here and click on W. Now you need to search here Windows Update, Windows Backup, Windows Search, Windows Update. So here it is. Okay, so here we need to click on click on Windows Update, click on Properties. Here you can see Startup Type, select and click on Disable. This will disable your Windows Update on when Windows starts. So click on Apply, OK, and that's it. Okay, so there is also one way on how you can disable it permanently. So what you need to do is click on Start menu, type here Run, hit Enter, and type here Reached, and click on OK. Here you need to confirm, click on Yes. I'll make it full screen. Here you need to follow following steps. So follow these steps. H key, local machine, click on software. Here we are looking for policies. So where it is, here it is. Click on it and select here Microsoft. Select Windows. So here just click on Windows, right click, click on New key, type here Windows Update and hit Enter. Okay, so Windows Update, right click and type New key. So here we need to give name and hit Enter. Okay, so select this one. Now right click here, New dword 32-bit value. No auto update. Hit Enter. Make sure no spaces. Okay, and the last step what you need to do is click on Modify on this one and give value 1. Click on OK. So now you have disabled permanently Windows Update on Windows 7, 10, and you are safe now. Please guys comment on this video and I hope you like it.